She is. There's Sparky. She's gonna attack me, isn't she? Sparky, please don't try it. I had a long day of PE. Here we go. And scratch. Maybe I was lucky that time. Sparky. Oi! Sparky! Oi! Sparky! What's she doing? Does she have a nest? That's weird. You crazy bird! Stop it! She really hurt me back there. Oh, now it's painful. Hi, Sammy.
Hello.
Alright, just to clarify, Sparky is very, very evil. I had a long day. I'll explain it in my room. Seriously, why you gotta do that? Why you gotta do that? I feed you every day. Guys, I don't feel so good. I don't. You guys might be wondering why I'm so tired. Today's Wednesday, February 3rd. We were gonna end the week with a sports day. So all day, instead of taking the normal periods in our school, which is 45 minutes and 6 periods, tug of war, volleyball, basketball, football, soccer. We're doing sports, yeah, the whole time, basically. Oh, I'm tired. The least thing I needed was another Sparky attack. Oh yeah, I heard about the new YouTube rating system that's gonna be happening soon, where you can choose a thumbs up and thumbs down for the video instead of the whole star rating. I think it's gonna be better that way. Anyway, see you guys later, and thank you, and this has been Tenkan speaking. أنا سأكل الكعك. لذيذ.